So here's how you can use the Temu affiliate. I'm going to be going over the complete guide on how to sign up and get into the Temu affiliate program, and as well as how you can promote it and earn money off of Temu affiliates. So you want to watch this full video so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Temu app. Now once you're in your Temu app, you want to go ahead and click on the U button on the bottom middle. Now from here, you want to scroll down and then click on settings. Now once you're in settings, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have an account that's already signed up. So if you're not signed up for an account yet, you can click on sign up/register at the very top. However, if you already have made an account, then that is good. So that's the very first step. You want to have a Temu account to begin with. Now once you have a Temu account, you want to go ahead and click on country and region, and then scroll down to the really bottom, and then you want to set your country and region to the United States. And this is because Temu affiliates are only available currently in the United States, so you want to change it to the US. Also, just double check to make sure that your currency is set as USD. So now once those has been changed, you want to click on the arrow on the top left hand corner. So now you're going to be brought back to this page, and then as you can see, you're still in the U page. And normally if you click on this option right over here that says earn credits and free gifts, the Temu affiliate program would normally be in this page right over here. However, they have moved it, so I'm going to show you how you can find it. So what you want to do is actually log out of Temu now, and then go ahead and go into a search engine such as Google. And then now you want to simply type in this, Temu affiliate. Now you want to scroll down, and then click on this option right over here, affiliate program, and then it says Temu. So now I'm going to be entered into the Temu affiliate program, and as you can see, I have currently $14.25 cash available, and this number right over here, you can actually cash it out to your PayPal account and turn it into real money. So the way this works is that you get a $5 download reward every time someone downloads the Temu app with a new user using your link or your code, and you can find your link and your code at the very bottom right over here in orange, and you can go ahead and copy it. Mine is INC13626. And this is my Temu link, so you can go ahead and promote all those links or code to whoever you want. You can promote it across any social media platform. You even send it to your friends and family members and then get them to download Temu. And also you can earn up to a 20% commission when a new user orders a Temu product using your link or your code. So that is essentially how Temu affiliates work. And if you want to promote it and actually earn a good amount of money, then what you can do is go ahead and copy your Temu link just like that. And then you can start Instagram pages or TikTok pages about Temu try-on hauls and then showing all of Temu's products. And then once you have showed them, you simply put your own link or your code inside of your TikTok bio, telling people at the end of your videos to go and buy Temu products using your link or code from your bio. That's going to lead to a lot of new users downloading, leading to a lot of money from your Temu affiliates program, and that's how you can earn a lot of money.